Hi guys, this is a video on Windows software. This time I'm talking about adding dynamic content to your desktop. Now this can be for functional or just for mucking about. Now there are three different things here. I have Yahoo Widgets, Google Desktop and Klipfolio. Now I think all three of them offer some sort of sidebar, so you'll see on the right hand side of your screen you'll have a bar coming down saying the time and things like that. But you should be able to drag things off and just randomly place them around the desktop somewhere. So we're going to start with Yahoo Widgets. Now these have just been installed and exited because usually they start themselves. So it's now saying the license agreement, which I'm going to accept. And it says done and done. You've now got the Yahoo Starter Pack. We've updated a few of your widgets with our latest wizardry, and you'll notice that I've now got a clock, what looks to be stock updates. You can drag these around. A gallery, choose which you want to use, Flickr, Yahoo Photos or my computer. If I say Flickr, we'll see if it loads something. And there we go, and it's got a picture from Flickr, so random picture from Flickr. And it says in the corner, oh, we've got the weather here. Now this isn't in my area, but I won't change it. It said that there was an update for one of the widgets available, so I suppose if I click that, that'll work. And I can see that some of these on this bar that's on the side, some of these are greyed out. So I assume if I click, there we go, it activates it, and I now have a clock on my desktop. Now, obviously, some of these aren't functional because I mean, having a giant clock on your desktop, you've got one down here anyway, so I can't see the point. But hey. Looks like there's an iTunes. Oh, that's quite good. An iTunes remote. I use iTunes quite a lot actually. And where is it? Where's it gone? Here it is. iTunes remote. So that's quite nice to have. What I'm going to try and do then, I'm going to try and I'm going to exit these just to begin with. One thing about these is that they're quite customizable. Like you saw the clock there, you can change the colours of it and things like that. I'm going to try and find, because the Yahoo widget website has like loads of widgets that you can download. I'm going to try and find a YouTube one, so you can try and watch YouTube on your desktop. YouTube, search this videos from YouTube using YouTube data API. They've got a rating here. I'm going to try and do this with the other two as well if I can. So I've said get it. Hopefully we're connecting. Transferring data, installing the widget. So it doesn't even need to download, it will just install straight onto. Oh, that's brilliant. So use widget, and now we have a YouTube widget. And if I minimize this, see we've now got a YouTube search and a bunch of videos. So obviously I'm not sure how this works, so I just downloaded it, but hey, I'm sure there must be a search box somewhere. Is it? There we go, search. Can I search in it? Yep, if I type in mobile phone 2003. Submit. Do we have any videos? There we go, these are all my ones that I've done, so that's quite handy. Now that is Yahoo Widgets. There's a thing in the bar that you can change, the thing in the system tray, just exit it if you want to. Actually, I'll see what the RAM performance is of it. So Yahoo Widgets, whoa, there's 3 processes and 8 MB, 13 MB and 5. So that is Yahoo Widgets. Now Google Desktop does an indexing thing which indexes your desktop. You also get an addition here with gadgets on. I'm not sure what that does. Oh, it says things like enabling things. So it says index update. It's actually indexing my computer so I can search for things quicker or something. Now there's a sidebar here. You know, it's just black, and wow, it's see-through actually. It's matching my desktop, which looks quite nice actually. And you can see there's a clock here, which I assume, yep, I can just drag off and place anywhere on my desktop. So there's weather as well. I'll drag across. Looks like news, gallery again, scratch pad. Well, that's quite good. Saved automatically as well. And web clips. So I'm not sure what web clips are. Perhaps it does like the Apple web clips do, where you can drag it out of your browser and it will add on to here or something like that. And a Google search bar. So I assume you can search the internet. Search web hello, search desktop hello. Cool. So that is Google Desktop. You can see you can drag them anywhere. Now I'm going to search on Google Desktop Widgets. See if I can find a YouTube one. Desktop gadgets even. And YouTube. YouTube gadget. I don't know which one to have. This one. To download, it says open with Google Desktop. Google has not tested or verified features. Please confirm you want to install. OK. And you'll see we have a nice little YouTube that looks a little bit squashed. There we go. It just has recently added top favourites, so I can't search for it, but hey, it's better than nothing. And obviously these are not made by Google, and the other one wasn't made by Yahoo, so that is Google Desktop. Oh yes, we're seeing the RAM, aren't we? Google Desktop's using 2 processors, 8 and 3. I'll make sure we've got 8 and 3. Google Desktop, no, sorry, 22, 7 and 3. So that is Google Desktop. And last but not least is Clipfolio. Now Clipfolio is known for being small, and you'll notice that it's just popped up in a small window here. It's got Flickr on here. YouTube already, which is quite handy. I suppose you can, you can drag this anywhere. So I suppose you can search as well if you wanted to. Oh wow, that's quite cool. Nice. So you can see that we've got a to-do list, dig here as well, processor usage, RAM usage, weather, enter my location, search Google, and these can all be detached from Clipfolio, and you've got a little bar at the top. So, no thanks, don't play the video. So, well, I don't need to search for YouTube because it's already got it, and that looks, I'm actually quite impressed with this because you can keep it all grouped into a box and put it somewhere instead of having sidebars and things like that. So this is Clipfolio. I'll show you some more things to do with it, but I'm not sure really what you can do with it. I'm just showing you what I see because I haven't used this before. So I am impressed with this probably more than I am with Google Desktop and Yahoo Widgets, because they are good, but they may test the RAM to see how much it's using actually. What was it called again? Clipfolio. Clipfolio is using, wow, Clipfolio is using 4.5 megabytes to do all the things that Google and Yahoo was doing that was taking 30. So you can sort of see the difference, that, and by making it small and easy to use, I prefer this over the other two, even though Yahoo Widgets looks nice and it's got several things that look nice, because it's trying to be like Apple when they had the widgets. Someone will probably say, okay, well, Yahoo Widgets came out before Apple. I'm not sure. I think Yahoo Widgets used to be Confabulator, which powered both the Apple desktop widgets and Windows widgets, but don't quote me on that. I'm sure someone will correct me in the comments if I've said this wrong. Google Desktop, I like the sidebar, but I think it integrates itself too much into my desktop with its indexing service, and I'm sure you can turn it off and everything, but I'm just doing this from a user's perspective when they first install it, because not many people go to install a program and then straight away go to configure it. They just leave it on the default. So this seems to be the best for default people, because you can just drag things around. It's really good. Not sure how to search for the YouTube, but we've got YouTube anyway. So that's about it really. Clipfolio seems to be the easiest in resource usage, and I'd say Yahoo Widgets was the easiest to use. Google Desktop's well, I'd say that's the nicest looking, but all I saw was a taskbar, so sidebar. But anyway, thanks for watching my video. If you know of any other things that do this sort of functionality and are low on resources, I don't think there are really, unless there's shareware or anything like that, because these are free to download. I'll provide the links in the description. Again, thanks for watching my video.
You've got mail.
And sorry about that. Please comment, rate and subscribe, and thanks for watching again.